ucio wira ugithii uguo ngithii na mbere ku apply in the process tukihitania na marketing director wakwa
Marmoro
riu nde thimu-ini ni checks ndira collect ndenda gwita nathi mbeca ciothe menye checks ci ready riu thie ngicioyaga ngigithagia clients yakwa ngicollectaga checks agiuka akinjira you are very busy on the phone ngimwira yes I'm collecting checks today I want to make sure I collect all the checks akinjira but it's you even I'm trying to call you extension rugirigo aragira ki ndanywa cai na cai wari muhiu ngoyaga cai karia shu ari bohende ndatikirie
guy
did you just pour your tea on me ngimura yes you are seated in your office waiting for me to sell, waiting for me to collect payments. You get your salary and you are coming here to shout at me.
No.
Sit in your office, tell me you want to see me. Once I finish with the clients, I will come.
Wawe.
Tondu riri ndaga collect mbeca ici ri no mekunjuria uyu aikaraga obici
atenekete
apparently ni tutumurihaga tungiaga kurehe mbeca icio ndangiona mucara
exactly so
aikarite hau acoke hau kunegenia na ndina client thimu-ini
ukimwikiria cai
ngemwikiria cai na ngerekia na clients
ndeto ici reke ndimwire kameme ni cio amwire kirongi Congestina joined
reke ngwire athi akeneganaga akiingira nurikanaga story kamuhinde watuhenirie tutikuri habithi na riu nake ndengia haha
na kabif
riu ngi connect cieri kiuga andu aya marenda atia uri hakuhi guthukia maisha makwa nundu wa bithi akuhi atume maitu
itwaguru
uyu nake riu ni uguo ni anjia kwanja guthukiria niguo ndimathondekeire wira
trauma
nake Ngai no Ngai anyendete ona igå itarä må honoku Ngai no anyendete
Ngai nä witå ithuothe
that very day ndeteirwo wä ra kwa NGO ngĩthiĩ ngĩoya marketing ya unit a very big unit ya NGO